Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js Canva clone video editor which actually split your long videos into multiple chunks. So we are running this React project on localhost 5173. The link is given, you can directly purchase the source code of this project. So each component is coded directly in TypeScript. So it's easy for you to customize this as well. So we are using latest version of React and FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So interface is quite simple. You select your long video file. As you select this, the video will play in the video player. So these are play stop buttons, and then we have this. If you want to split across 15 seconds, 30, you can even click custom and then provide how much duration in seconds each part should take. So let's suppose I want to split the video across 1 minute each. So this 10 minute long video will be splitted across 1 minute each. So each part, so it will create 11 parts of this video. And if you click export and download, the FFmpeg processing will start. And one by one, it will process each of these parts. And now this will, you can individually click the download button to actually split this long video into multiple parts. So this will save you a lot of time because many a times you do need to split your long videos into short ones. So this is a perfect Canva clone video editor which actually does the job for you. And for this we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, which actually allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So interface is very much responsive. It will definitely work on mobile, tablet and desktop. So it's completely responsive as you see. So you can definitely purchase it, and if you're looking for this project, you can add more features as well. So it's similar to Canva because Canva does offer the feature to split your videos. So I created this project from scratch, and you can take any video, you can do this unlimited number of times. So the thing about this project is that it doesn't have a backend. All the processing directly happens in the browser. So it doesn't take too much time as well. As you split and click, it doesn't take too much time. So in a matter of seconds, it will create these parts for you. So it doesn't take too much time as well. So, and the user interface, I coded this inside Tailwind CSS, and we are using Vite development engine. So these are set of commands here. So we are running this locally host. You can see that. So now if you do want to deploy this project, it's simple. You run the build command. So as you run the build command, it will compile all the assets into a single folder so that you can easily deploy this to any shared hosting platform. So now the build will start happening. I think it is app dot. Let me just fix these mistakes here. Yeah, so this is never used. So let me just. So now the build will start. So this was the mistakes happening. I fix out those mistakes. So these variables were never used. So that's why it was creating the problems. So once you build out, you will see the. So it built out this entire project here. It created this dist directory. So now you simply upload this directory. If you purchase a domain name, you can easily deploy this video editor Canva clone application by purchasing a domain name, and inside that, as user opens the application, So you can easily trim and split videos directly in the browser. So it's a video editor Canva clone application. So definitely check this out.